Hi guys, this is an update video for my foot upgrade for Alien Attack King of Kavaliers. The feet on this figure are pretty horrible. First off, they're all hollow, they're really loose, the toe flips up, so if you put him down he tends to lean backward a lot, and if you pose him wrong and have the weight forward, the toes just collapse and the figure falls to the floor. So I've made this clip-on piece, added some nice detailing, and to open up, to put it on, you just open up the foot, clip in using the existing pegs like this, close the foot, that makes it hook into this section, clip on the other side, just like that, close the foot, and now he is really solid. He cannot go forward and he doesn't lean back anymore. So you can see here some of the details. And it blends in quite nicely, I would say. I've also made a bonus. I made some hooks, some pegs. You clip it into his back and you can put his sword on his back. I have one for left and one for the right side, so you can choose on which side you want to have the sword. So both will be included in the kit, so you can do whatever you want and pose him however you want. This 4-piece upgrade kit will be available for purchase. I have it in stock right now. It will be available through the TFW 2005 forums. I've added a link in the description and I'll hope to see you there. Have a nice day.